Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making you a really good drink. We're going to be making you the Zombies Bar Army of Darkness drink. Okay, for tonight's ingredients, guys, we're going to be using Kahlua. We're going to be using good old Kraken Rum. We're going to be using our Young's Double Chocolate Stout. Those are the ingredients for the drink tonight, guys. Let's get to making it. All right, guys, now to make our drink, we're going to take a ½ ounce of Kahlua. We're going to take a ½ ounce of Kraken Rum. Okay, maybe just a little bit more splash. How about 3/4? There we go. And then all we're going to do is we're going to top it off with our Young's Double Chocolate Stout. Fill it all the way up. No ice, no straw, none of that other stuff. And this, guys, is the Zombies Bar Army of Darkness drink. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Zombies Bar Army of Darkness drink. You guys, if you don't like the double chocolate stout, try this with any stout that you like. Do it with Guinness, do it with whatever Java like stout that you have. It comes out really good. It's very tasty. Next time you guys come in the bar, I'd love to make one for you. Love you guys to try that at home. If you guys like what I'm doing, man, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Until our next video, I'll see you then.